Hello everyone, this is Joe from Zolytech Machinery Company Limited. As we have said that we're professional for mattress machinery production line provider. Okay, we have been in this business for professional for manufacturing all kinds of mattress machinery, even for 15 years. Okay, today to show you how our machines working in the mattress factory. Today we come to our on-site to see what our machine can make. Okay, firstly, let me show you what kinds of materials which used for quilting panels. Okay, now follow our cameras. You can see that what kinds of materials. Okay, now at the moment you can see that what kind of foam. Okay, this is kind of foam is also very popular in China. And please go on that you can see that many rows of raw materials including foam and polyester and all kinds high quality fabrics and lower quality middle class quality fabrics. Okay, these materials are already on the material rack. Okay, now at the moment you can see one quilting machine is in front of you. Okay, next production line is multi-needle quilting machine for panels production line. Okay, and it's this production line is covered, is divided into three parts. First is chain stitch mount cutting machine, and then hand cutting machine, and then a stacking machine on the behind. Okay, let's follow our cameras, then we can see step by step. So at the moment that you can see that our workers are putting the foam. So this foam roll is very big roll. Okay, the diameter is about 1.5 meter. It's very big. It's two kinds of foam. Okay, this is the daily work, basic work for the worker to put on the foams.
有啊，你有看到眼睛吗？是它没有显示出来是谁。
So now the engineering, the workers are preparing the materials. Now you can also see that the foam ring here. This is the this cone of thread. The quilting thread is 1 kilo per cone. Okay, the number is 210B3. This is the thread model. This is the most popular thread in China. Okay, and then you can see that the polyester foam as the bottom foam. Okay, this kind of nonwoven fabric you can do according to, you can put according to your needs, because different mattress is with different materials. Okay. Now please follow our cameras to go on to see that. You can see that first machine here is the quilting machine, and one hand cutting machine is connecting with it, and then stacking machine is on the behind. Okay, this is the first panel production line, and now you can see that this is the computer screen of the quilting machine. This quilting machine, you can see that at the moment is in Chinese language. If you want other language here, you can select your own language. For example, Arabic, French, Spanish, Russian language, and many other languages according to your need. You can select in your system. Okay. Now here you can see that is for changing the patterns. If you want some new patterns in the system, we have about 300 patterns already in the system. If you replace another patterns, you can do according to your needs. Okay. Now at the moment, I show you that here you can see many kind of patterns. Here we see that this is our pattern code. This is our serial. Okay, you can see that on the here you can see that is second jump pattern.
放后一点，太近了。
Second jump pattern. So this machine is 3 plus 3 inch, is 6-inch machine. Okay, so in this computer, you can select patterns of 3-inch or 6-inch or 12-inch patterns according to your need for different size of the patterns. Okay. And also, for example, if on our pattern codes you cannot find the patterns for your needs, it's no problem, and you can draw the new patterns according to our teaching. Okay, if you have background of CAD, to know the CAD, then it's very easy to know how to draw the new patterns.
什么意思？
Okay.
这个
Okay. And now you can see that it's on the back of the quilting machine. Just now I see that it's chain stitch molded quilting machine, or it have another name is looper quilting machine. Okay. And there you can see that it's with bottom thread is also with bobbin. It's also with coins. Okay. It's also with coins. So it's without bobbin. So we say non-bobbin or chain stitch. Okay. Here is our panel cutting machine. This panel cutting machine is the latest model. So you can see that it's with a conveyor. It's more easier for you to connect this panel cutting machine with another machine. For example, stacking machine. And now you can see that after the machine was cut, then the stack machine has stacked them very in good order. Okay, so this is the good advantage of stacking machine. Okay, so If you do not have this machine, then you need to send one person to pack the material one by one. So it's waste your labor cost, improve your labor costs. Okay. So now you can see that the material we have already finished quilting is with different shapes. Different shapes. You can see it's with waves or with the diamond or with the square with different patterns. Okay, you can see. So at the moment, this quilting machine production line is one of the most popular and most advanced quilting machine, panel quilting machine production line in China. That quilting machine, the max speed can be 1,400 RPM. Is already the most advanced model in China. And just now I did not tell you that this machine also with another function, that is, it can make mattress borders. Mattress borders. Here, you can see that kind of mattress border is also can make by this machine, by this quilting machine. Because on this machine we have a special design. Because forming machine, the needle space is 1 inch. The needle space is 1 inch. But for this machine, the needle space can be ½ inch. So you can see that the needle space is smaller, so it can make all kinds of mattress borders according to your need. And also, it's with a very big advantage, that is, it can make large quantity. As you know, the quilting machine, the max quilting width is 2.45 meter. 2.45 meter. So maybe you can see that you can even quilt 10 or 12 rollers of mattress borders or mattress bonders at the same time. Okay. Next, just now I have introduced the first production line. First product line for mattress quilting for panels. Okay. Net quilt including the quilting machine and the panel cutting machine and then stacking machine. Okay, now let's come to our second production line for panels. Okay. Just know that we noticed that the quilting machine with the panel cutting machine and then with the stacking machine, and this machine is a little different. Okay. For the first machine, it's same, but the second machine is quite different. The second machine is 4-size hemming station. 4-size hemming station. This machine is already invented in 2017. So now it's very mature. Now we can see the structure of this machine. This machine, after quilting the panels do not need the flanging machine people to flanging the earth. Okay, this machine with the function of both the cutting and the hemming function. Okay, now let's see from the very beginning to the end to see how it's working. So at the moment that you can see that we have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 rows of materials, and then with the material fabric. Now welcome Mr. Silas Benless Niemans to visit our live streaming, and Mr. Harak, and Mr. Nadia, and Mr. Abu, and Miss Madam to visit our live streaming. Thank you for your visiting, and if you show interest about more details about the machine, you message to us, and including you can see that the video of our machine, and also I can send you more details about the, for example, like the parameters, pictures, and all the other details for you. Okay, let's go up. Okay, that. Let's see from beginning to the end. This is special color, special design we have done for the customer. Okay. So you can see that this machine, the color is very beautiful. Okay, now let's go on. So from here you can see that this machine is also the border cutting function. Okay, border cutting function. So you can see the blades. The cutting blades is here. Now after a while for the cutting machine, then this material, when it's ready, then they will start the mattress panel machine, Hermes station. Okay, you can see that this is Hermes structure. Huh? 不切是吧？ So after, at the moment, this material they do not plan to cut. Okay. Okay. Let's go on to see another machine who is also studied production. Let's see how the stacking machine is working. Okay. Thanks, Mr. Santosh. Send us message that you said that you want buy this machine, right? Thank you. After a while, I will send you more details. Okay. Thank you. This is most. You can see that Then here is the mattress stacking machine. Okay, so from the beginning to end, only one person is operating this machine. So if it's not a full production line, then I think you need at least 2 person for this production line. Okay, so it's very labor saving. It's very labor saving for you. Up to now, we have sold our machine to many countries. We have CE certification and also we have exhibited our machines in many countries like Iran, like Turkey, like India, and also in China. We have visited many countries already. So for my experience, the farthest country I visited is Argentina, Chile, and Mexico, America, Germany, Turkey, Belgium, Bangladesh, India, and so on. I have visited many countries for customer visit. So I know what customer needs, and we get many experience from our customers and feedback from our customers about how to improve our machine, how to meet the needs. Okay. So now let's go and see how this stacking machine, how this mattress panel production line working from the beginning to end. Okay. So now that the workers have already finished the production, so they just stop the quilting machine, then the other machine will stop automatically. Okay, stop automatically. So next, as the labor cost improving, more and more countries want to reduce the cost for labor. Okay, and also the factory space is also very expensive so our next production line only operate by one person, and this quilting machine is very high efficiency. The max speed is 1400 RPM. Okay, common quilting machine, the max speed only about 700 RPM. That is to say, our machine, the quilting speed is double of your common quilting machine. So it will improve your output. Okay. So you can see. Now let's see how the cutting effects, and the quilting effects. You can see that even the material is very thin. It's no more 1 cm, but the quilting patterns is also very good effects. Mostly we recommend that the thicker the material is, then the cutting effects would be
4个的变化。切线。喂，罗老师，是不是罗老师啊？
是吗？
哎，是的呢。
我们现在在直播啊。
哦。
嗯，好的，拜拜。啊，好的。
So you can see the quilting effect is very nice. Though the material is very thin, okay? Though the material is very thin. And let's see, mostly we check if the material is good or not. If it is good or diamond, means you are test the machine. I will show you from the beginning to the end again. So now that I just see that the max speed is 1400 RPM, but now we just make the machine working speed 1100 RPM. Okay. So you can see that just one person who operates the machine is okay.
Okay,
我们准备结束了。
好。
Okay, I must say goodbye today. Just now I will show you two kind of quality production. One is the quality machine, and then certified machine and stack machine. And second quality machine, second production line, kind of quality production line is quality machine, and then carry station, and then okay. Both product lines will operate by only one person. Okay, no need two persons, just one person. So you're welcome to know more about our machine. You can contact us by leave a message on Facebook, or you can contact our Zolytech YouTube website, and also for us if you want to know more details. You are welcome to ask any questions about us. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting our live stream. This is my channel. This is Zolytech from Zolytech.